Hello, I'm Anna and today I'm going to do costards. Let's start. To do costard, we need Thermomix. The ingredients that I need are 6 yolks, 130 grams of sugar, 30 grams of control, 1 lemon peel, 1 liter of milk, and cinnamon. First of all, we put all the ingredients in the Thermomix except lemon peel. Program 10 seconds, speed 3.5. Then add in the Thermomix the lemon peel and program 8 minutes, temperature 90 and speed 2. When Thermomix finish, we take off the lemon and put the custard in the bowls. Then is the moment to decide that if you want to put a cinnamon or not. But first of all, I put the custard in the fridge. After eat the custards, you have to wait 2 hours, and then enjoy your meal.